sounds like a chimpanzee, doesn't she?
Christina Aguilera, Angel Like the Man on Juice. It's 20 minutes to 2 on this Saturday, Jonesy, until 2 o'clock today.
Juice 107.2 litres with Concord 2. Check out concord2.co.uk.
And Tony Franku will be taking you through all the sport this afternoon, and it's a massive day in that Premiership. We've already had the early